Didilaan ko, oh my God, I like that. Okay. Hating does not resolve anything. Okay, forget it. They think you're crazy. No, I'm not crazy, so you don't call me crazy. Take crop. Just kidding. Ito ya, rebel. I did not iron my dress yet. When I reach home, I need to take a shower. I need to dry my hair. My God, it took like 1 hour. We will lose all our time just for me to prepare myself going to Global Village. Paglalabasan ka na sa akin at titirahin. Ay, wow, ang galing. Kuha mo yung kilig. Ano, Janine? Gustong-gusto ko yung ganyan. Yung kinakain ka, tapos kapag yung lalabasan ka na, yung bubulok na yung tubig mo. Saka mo siya ipapasok. Ay, ang sarap.